Claude Fable 5 just got banned with no warning or notice. The best AI model on the planet can be taken away from you at any time. And so there are two things that you need to do right now, and barely anybody is talking about the second.
The useful take is not that everyone should panic buy a local AI rig. It is that your workflow should survive when one frontier model disappears. Local models are one layer of that backup plan. Open source apps are another layer. Model routing is the third. If you only swap one cloud chatbot for one local chatbot, you learn the wrong lesson.
Which is really important to understand. And I'm not saying that local is currently outperforming the best models. There are absolutely trade-offs, but you want this in your stack. It's so important. But one of the cool benefits of why local is important that most people don't realize is it's 100% private. So you can talk to it about anything.
Privacy is the strongest argument here. If the prompt contains client data, health notes, company docs, or anything you would not paste into a random SaaS tool, local inference is useful. But local does not magically mean better. It means you own more of the mess. You have to pick the model, update it, watch quality drift, and know when the answer is just weaker than the cloud option. The first practical step is boring. Check your hardware before you download anything. Screenshot the machine specs. Ask which model fits with headroom, then start smaller than your ego wants. A model that technically loads but crawls is not a workflow. I would rather run a smaller model fast on a narrow task than pretend the laptop is a data center.
So let's talk a little bit about the best available models right now. You know, I've done some incredible videos on DeepSeek and the giant whale and what that looks like. And we're going to touch on a couple of them now just so you're aware of what is happening in the world with these beautiful local models. So Gemma 4 is freaking amazing. This one is actually a Google model, which is very, very cool. It's best probably for like 16 gigabyte max. It's a good all-rounder. It has vision, so you can give it images of things, so it can read and analyze those.
Want the best AI tools and workflows as they drop? Join the best AI community linked in the description. The routing point is the part worth stealing. Do not ask, should everything be local? Ask what the task needs. Private or repetitive work can go local. Cheap background drafts can go to a cheaper hosted model. Hard reasoning, final review, security calls, and product judgment should still use the best model you can access. That is the system. Local only is just a new bottleneck.
We have a specific task, and we have what we call a decision engine that will dynamically route that specific query to the specific model based on what is physically required. This is going to be especially important once we regain access to Fable or a Fable level model again, so we can actually get the right token economics. Now, for example, if you look at Notebook LM is the world's #1 design and research intelligence platform. Really cool. But what if one day Google says, sorry guys, we're shutting it down, or we're only going to let you add 10 notebooks unless you pay us $100 or $1,000 a month? Well, we're what is known as screwed, right? Well, maybe not, because we can use open source versions of this, which is the exact same software. We could build it ourselves if we wanted to, or we can use open source versions of this and have any.
This is the better business angle. The future is not only local models, it is local or self-hosted workflows. If a paid tool is basically document upload, search summaries, and a chat box, you can often rebuild enough of it with an open source repo and a model key. That will not replace every SaaS product. It will replace the lazy ones. The test is simple. Can you define the inputs, outputs, and acceptance check? If yes, an agent can probably build a private version. I still would not sell this as free. Free has a bill. Sometimes the bill is worse answers. Sometimes it is setup time. Sometimes it is maintaining a local stack when a $20 subscription would have been fine. The winning setup is boring, cloud coordinator, local worker, open source app when the workflow is simple, and a written rule for when each one gets used. Want the best AI tools and workflows as they drop? Join the best AI community linked in the description. My verdict: learn local AI, but do not turn it into religion. Use it for privacy, volume, offline work, and cheap experiments. Use frontier models when the answer needs real judgment, and start rebuilding tiny internal tools before you rebuild your whole operating system. That is the fallback plan that survives the next model outage.